Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPO Coder. If you're new to the channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Today in this video we are going to see how to create a cone column stack chart in VB Excel. So to create a cone column stack chart in VB Excel, we require the sample data as shown on the screen over here. So by this data we are going to create a cone column stack chart in VB Excel. And this is the macro button which I have assigned a VBA code to create a cone call stack chart. Now let's see the output first, and then we will be having a deep explanation and the understanding about code to create a cone call stack in VBA Excel. So please stay tuned till the end of this video. Now let's see the output first. So as you can see that this will be our output after writing some lines of code inside the VBA editor. Now let's dive into our VBA editor and let's see what all codes has to be written to create this type of amazing chart in VBA Excel. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor and this is the sub procedure to create a cone call stack chart in VBA Excel. Now this will be the entire block of code or the lines of code which we are going to use to create a cone call stack chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see what are these codes are. So what we are going to do is we are going to select a single cell inside our data. As you can see, I have selected E5 as my single cell inside my data over here. Once you have selected a single cell inside your data, what we are going to do is in the next line we are going to type active sheet.shapes.addChart2, and in the brackets we are going to give some parameters by separating a comma. Now let's see what are these parameters are. The first parameter which we are going to give inside the bracket is the chart value. Each and every chart has its own value. For our video we have the chart value of 2 for creating this type of chart. And then after a comma we are going to give what type of chart we are trying to build by using this code. So we are trying to build a cone call stack. So in VBA Excel it is called Excel cone call stack chart. Once you have written or given this line or this type of chart, next what we are going to do is we are going to give the top, left and width parameters to position and size our chart. After that we are going to close the brackets and then outside the brackets we are going to type dot select. So what this line of code will do is this line of code will create and select the chart which is cone column stack chart. Now this will only create the chart and it won't be that good to present it to your boss or your colleagues. So to make it more presentable, what we are going to do is we are going to use a width block of code which will help us to create the exact same chart as shown over here. So let's see how we can do that. Now once we have created and selected our chart, it becomes our active chart. So by using the with statement, we said that we are going to type active chart. Once you have used with active chart, in the below line we are going to give dot hash title equals to true. Once you have written this line of code, your VBA understands that your chart has a chart title. After that what we are going to do is we are going to give what should be our chart title. For that we are going to type dot chart title dot text then equals to, and in the double inverted comma over here you have to mention your chart title. For this video I have given my chart title as cone column stack chart in VBA Excel. After that we are going to set some elements to make our chart more presentable. Now let's see what are these elements are. So the first element which we are going to set by typing dot set element, and in the brackets we are going to give MSO element data label show, which means we are showing the data labels of each and every data point inside our chart. As you can see, each and every chart data point has been shown over here. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to remove the grid lines from our chart. So to remove the grid lines from our chart, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element primary value grid lines null. So once you have written this line of code, your grid lines will be removed. After that, what we are going to do is in the next line we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element data table with legend keys. Once you have written this line of code, your data table will be created. As you can see that this is our data table with the legend keys over here. So this will be created inside your chart. After that, what we are going to do is, as you can see, we have the data table and the data label inside our chart. We are going to delete the value axis from here to make it more presentable. So to delete the value axis, we are going to type in the next line dot axis, and inside the brackets we are going to type Excel value, and outside the brackets we are going to type dot delete. Once you've written this line of code, your value axis will be deleted. After that, what we are going to do is in the next line we are going to type end width. So once you have written the end width, your width block will be closed. And congratulations, you have learned how to create a cone column stack chart in VBA Excel. And if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. For more such videos, please do visit to our channel page BPO Coder. And if you have any doubts and suggestions, please do comment in the comment box. Now as you can see that we have selected a single chart, or you can say we have created and selected our chart over here at the beginning of our code. Now to deselect our chart, we are going to select any empty cell inside our worksheet by using range and the cell name and dot select. Now that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day. Bye.